everybody, it's Tammy from Embellish the Story. Thank you so much for joining my channel. And thank you for all of your support and your kind words. And today I wanted to do a little check-in with you guys and just say hello and hope you're having a good September and show you some really exciting and fun digitals that are brand new by OohLaLa Vintage Treasures. And Doreen has come up with the sweetest, most feminine little set of fall digitals that I am super excited about because I'm really, I'm kind of rushing fall. I'm really looking forward to the fall weather and the fall festivities. And so this is so perfect for the mood I'm in. And the whole collection is called Harvest Waltz. And I have a tiny snippets of the three ephemera, the three packs that are available on Etsy right now. I couldn't print off nearly as much as I wanted because my printer decided to be as grouchy as it could possibly be this morning. So this is what I was able to run, and I'll tell you how many pages were in each set on Etsy that are available for purchase. So if you're in the fall mood like I am, this might just be what you've been looking for. This whole set's called Harvest Waltz, and there's a paper pack, an ephemera pack, and a pumpkin patch, and the blush set is out now, and she is going to have a vintage set coming out soon, which will be, this is more pinks and creams, and that'll be just like creams and tea-dyed and beiges. So I'm excited about that set too, but this is the ephemera pack right here. This comes from that. Look at the sweet little pumpkins. They're so sweet. They're a little bigger than like a quarter. And then here's some French words. And all the words she has are fall, you know, fallish words. And she has them in French and English, which is super neat. So this is the French set of words here. And then she has some really beautiful things. She pulled her ruffle into this set. So if you have the Snippets of Love kit, it will coordinate really nicely with this set. So here's a page of ephemera. Here is a page of the English words, and there's a page just like this in the French words. So Harvest Waltz, Autumn is Beautiful, Pumpkin Patch, Lovely, Hot Cocoa, Leaves, Treasured Memories. Here is another pretty page. She's got the pretty hot cocoa cup. I love these fall looking hydrangeas. They're like a pinkish beige. And then this little clipboard is cute. And I want to show you what's coming up with the clipboard. Look at this. They're little, they're three little clipboards here. And she gave the top of the clipboard if we want to like layer the top. So I have a really cute idea with that. But there's also a page in our paper pack with this big clip, with a clipboard that covers most of the page. Here's another little set of cards. Aren't they pretty? Here's some tickets. And here is, and these are the French words. Autumn is Beautiful. And here is another page of pretty little ephemera. So I love this. See the ruffles pulled in places. It'll look really good with the Snippets of Love kit. And then there is a set of digitals called Pumpkin Patch, and this one's in blush. And look at this. This is the first pumpkin I pulled out once I downloaded it. And look at that bow. Isn't that so pretty? And then there's pages with smaller pumpkins. And here's one of those pages. And there was 13 pages of just pumpkins. And I only printed 2. So I printed very little of what's available. In the ephemera pack, there's 16 pages. And that's the first ephemera piece I showed you. So I'm just showing you a quick little preview of some of the things. So the paper pack, I printed it on the back of these. I backed these in the paper pack. And here's some of the pretty papers. This collage page. So many things we could do with this. Here's this beautiful page. I just love that lace. Look at how cozy this page is. Just like a warm blanket and some pretty warm, these are like pillows. And that's just a beautiful pink page. And then this brick page with the ruffle is so pretty. And I don't know why my printer decided to do that. It truly did every irritable thing it could think of to do this morning. Did the same thing on this page. This page is so detailed. I can even see the threads in that. Like how it was woven. Isn't that pretty with the doily that's pink? Here's a beautiful page. So I'm really excited to create with these. The cotton and the cinnamon sticks and the little pine cones. There's so much more to see than what I'm showing you today. And I didn't print off more because I just got tired of fighting with the printer. I just printed a preview of it. So I wanted to share this with you because I thought you might be as excited about it as I am, because you might be getting in the fall mood too. Okay, so I wanted to just create the quickest little thing this morning. And it's so straightforward. You might say, yeah, that was kind of obvious. But I like simple sometimes, especially if I am just kind of stuck. So this is super simple, and I think it's going to be really cute. So I cut out the clipboard, and I cut out, it was like this on the page. I cut out, here it is. I cut out this one. So I cut these two out, and I'm going to put this on top and make it a tuck spot. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So I'm just going to barely glue this down. I went ahead and cut the hole. Just going to glue it down here and barely along the top. I'm having to make this quick because I've got somewhere to be in about an hour. So I just wanted to play this morning. So I have done that. I hadn't inked that. Let me ink that really quick. But I'm going to put lace there. So I thought we would just make this cute. I don't know, maybe it's a tag. You know, I never know if it's a tag or a journaling card half the time. So I already cut the holes. And I'm going to put some tulle in there. But I thought maybe, and this is so straightforward, you might be like, I'm just going to put this little piece of lace. And this is from a OohLaLa kit that I've hoarded for a while. I hoarded my OohLaLa kits for about 3 years. I don't know why, because they're really fun to create with, so I was really missing out. I guess I was always afraid I was never going to get it again. So I just wouldn't do anything with it. So I'm going to put that up to the edge of the clipboard piece. And just trim it. Am I even in frame? Okay. And then I have this. It looks like a leaf, and I'm not really sure where I'm sure it came from, like it's in my stash. I'm not really sure where it came from. It came from some big box store, but I thought it kind of reminded me of a pumpkin leaf, so I thought I would just put this on there, and we'll see how this looks. It would also, I think this would be so pretty if I really took my time to get all my you know, a bunch of trims and some blingy things, and really put a lot of sparkly on this. But I'm really keeping this simple, and I kind of like it slanted. It's just kind of twining. So I'm just going to let that go. Okay. So put that on there. And then where I've got the holes, I've got this beautiful, beautiful blush tulle. And it's from a past OohLaLa kit. I'm telling y'all, I hoarded it for years. Y'all, we have had the most picture-perfect, my mother calls them Chamber of Commerce days, weather-wise here. It's been so nice. I've enjoyed it being outside. I cleaned my porch and put some fall decorations out there yesterday. So I'm not even going to trim this. I'm just going to loop it into a bow. It's going to be, it probably needs to be cut in half. It'll be cute like that. So I just put my ribbon through. I didn't tie it, and then I looped that into a bow, and I'm just going to tie it. So that's a cute little topper. All right. Let's save that because I have the tiniest bit. So here's the top, and some pearls or some rhinestones would be pretty there, but I don't have any out this morning. I'm just trying to do this really quickly. And then I thought, I got out some of the little cards and a ticket, and when I cut out the Hello Fall, and I cut out a pumpkin, and I thought, well, let's use it like a paper clip. I mean, a paper clip, not a paper clip, a clipboard, and let's just, like you would a clipboard, you know, like you have papers clipped in it. So I thought this one is kind of, I thought I would just layer them. I'm just going to tear the bottoms. And then put a little ink on them. After I tore it. I'm just going to layer these in here like a clipboard would be. So let's put that there. I'm going to take a little more off this one so that you can see the layers. That one says Waltz. Look at the man and woman. Isn't that pretty? And then, let's see. We can just tuck those in there like that. Hello Fall, the ticket, and then I don't know. Let's see. Do we want to put this little tuck in here? Or do I want to just put it there? I don't want to cover that up. I don't know. I think I'm just going to tuck the pumpkin in for right now. Just like you've got a little pumpkin tucked in. So there is the simplest, most straightforward little embellishment. I mean, how easy does that get? But it's really cute. And I had backed the clipboard on the sweater. Oh, it's kind of like a cozy sweater blanket. So you can journal on the back of that. And then all of these, you can definitely journal on the back of. So you've got all kinds of journaling space. And things are just tucked in. So that could not be more simple on a day if you just, you know, I just wanted to get some crafting in today. It's been a while since I've sat down and made something for video. So there's that. Wouldn't that be cute? I could just, oh, I could tuck it right there. Wouldn't that be cute? I didn't want to cover up the clipboard. I wanted you to be able to see it's a real clipboard. But I could tuck that right there. I think I'll do that. Just put that right there because I wanted the pumpkin to show. And I can still see my clipboard if I put this here. And it has those sweet little words. You could layer a word on it. So that's cute. And I've got my little pumpkin, my little bow. And how sweet is that? So that is the most straightforward, obvious embellishment, but the little word would be really, really pretty there. So that is super quick and fun, cute little embellishment to make. Okay, so I just couldn't help myself. So what I did was I paused the camera and I tore out La Tome Bow, which I'm pretty sure is the one thing I know that says Autumn is Beautiful. And I took a tiny piece of lace from one of my Oohlala kits in the past, and I just popped a pearl on that. So I'm going to just put these on the pumpkin right here. Just going to put it right in the center of the pumpkin. You know, there's so many things you could do with this. This is really just the first thing that came to my mind. Because I was just really so excited when I saw this digital set, because it's just what I've been looking for. I'm gonna crinkle that up just a bit. Okay. I think I'm going to have to glue that a little better. But it says Autumn is Beautiful. Oh, and I have Autumn is Beautiful there too. And maybe should have picked something else. But anyway, I can pick another ticket and stick in there if I want two different sayings, which I probably will. But look how cute that turned out. You can still see the little clipboard there with the little pumpkin. And I think that's really sweet. So thank y'all for joining me today and letting me share these new digitals. Harvest Waltz by Oohlala Vintage Treasures. Doreen has created just another gorgeous set to play with. And this one is perfect for fall. And so thank you, Doreen, for sharing all your talent with us. You were so creative and so clever. I never would have thought to come up with this clipboard. So y'all have fun, and hopefully you'll enjoy playing with this set as much as I have, and make it a beautiful day. Bye-bye.